Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to Akshara IT Foundation. This is Srinivas, your maths faculty. Let us move to the today's class. Yeah, we're in the topic of quadrilaterals. So in our previous class, we have discussed about all types of quadrilaterals and their respective properties. Now let us try to solve some problems based on the quadrilaterals. Okay, let us. Grade 6. So geometry synopsis 7. Okay, na? Right. Let us see the concept based questions first. The first question is given that ABCD is a parallelogram in that AC and BD are diagonals. AC and BD are diagonals. Now, AO, that means both the diagonals are intersecting at a point O. Let me draw the rough diagram here. So while you're taking that A, B, C, D, AC and BD are intersecting at O, and also given that OA value 5 centimeters, they are asking about the value of OC. According to the property of a parallelogram, the diagonals are bisecting. Bisecting means dividing into two equal parts. So OC also 5 centimeters. The length of OC is also 5 centimeters. Okay, na? So let us move on to the question number 2. Again, it is based on the parallelogram only. Parallelogram angle A is 50 degrees, then angle B. Same diagram A and B. According to the property of parallelogram, sum of adjacent angles 180. That means angle A plus angle B equals to 180 degrees. Angle B is equal to 180. When you transpose plus A, this side minus A. But we know already angle A value 50 degrees. 180 minus 50 degrees. 180 minus 50 is nothing but 130 degrees. Therefore, angle B is equals to 130 degrees. Move on to the question number 3. That is, ABCD is a parallelogram. Angle A is equals to angle B. Adjacent angles are equal. That means adjacent angles are equal. According to the property, opposite angles equal. For example, this is X. Here also X. C also X, D also X. That means all angles are equal. Then each angle becomes 90 degrees because of quadrilateral sum of all angles becomes 360 degrees. 360 by all angles equal, no, divided by 4. 360 by 4, 90 degrees. Problem number 4, that is, so in a parallelogram, diagonals intersecting at O, same diagram. So OA length is equal to 2x plus 15 and OC length is equal to 10x minus C, then AC length. AC is nothing but AB plus AO plus OC. AC is nothing but AO plus OC, add both of them, you will get the answer. But before that, try to find out the value of x. We know that AO equals to OC because the diagonals are bisect each other. Diagonals are bisect each other. So AO value 2x plus 15 degrees and OC value is 10 minus 9. 10x minus 9. Bring all the variables one side, numericals one side. Minus 9 transpose this side plus 9. So it is 15 plus 9. 2x transpose that side minus 2x. 10x minus 2x is 8x. So x value 15 plus 9. 15 plus 9, 24. 24 by 8, nothing but 3. Now find AC value. AC is nothing but AO plus OC. AO means AO value how much? 2 into x, 2 into 3, 6, 6 plus 15, 21. 2 21s are 42 will be the length of AC degrees. Length of AC, okay na? Now coming to question number 5. In a parallelogram, angle A, angle B are given, then angle C. Now angle A, angle B are adjacent angles. So sum of adjacent angles are 180 degrees here. But angle A value, angle B value is given that x plus 13 to x plus 17. X plus 13 to x plus 17 is equals to 180 because sum of adjacent angles 180 degrees. Now variables x plus 2x is 3x, 13 plus 12 is 30 degrees. plus 30 transpose the set minus 30, 180 minus 30, 150. So x value 50 degrees. X value 50. Therefore, angle A is equal to 50 plus 13, 63. Angle A value x plus 13, no? So 63. Therefore, angle C also 63 because parallelogram opposite angles equal. Okay. Coming to the question number 6. The sixth problem is ABCD is a parallelogram. Angle A is equals to 120 degrees. Angle B plus angle D. According to the parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. So angle A 120, angle C also 120. 120 plus 120, 240. So angle A plus angle C is equal to 240. According to the parallelogram, all angles are equal. Angle A plus, sum of all angles are 360 degrees. So angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D is equal to 360. So from that we can write 360 degrees. From this we can write angle A plus angle C 240, transpose the side minus 240. So angle B plus angle D is equals to 360 minus 240, nothing but 120 degrees. Okay now. Now problem number 7. The seventh problem is given that in a rectangle, now rectangle game. Until then 6 problems. First 6 problems based on the parallelogram. Now coming to the rectangle. That is rectangle ABCD. AB is equal to 4 centimeters, BC is equal to 3 centimeters, AC value. Just draw a rough diagram. AB 4 centimeters, BC 3 centimeters, then AC value we should find. Now we are using the right angle triangle hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse means AC. Hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. 3 square value 3 into 3 9. 4 square value 4 4 are 16. When you add both of them you will get 25. So diagonal value 25. That means diagonal square is 25. Then diagonal is 5 centimeters because 25 is nothing but 5 square. 5 5 is 25. Okay. Let us move on to the question number 8. That is, in a rectangle ABCD, AC and BD are the diagonals which are intersecting at O. Then angle OAB equals to 90 degrees. OAB, that means here one. If you take this one, here OAB is equals to 40 degrees. Then OCD value. OCD. This value we need to find. So according to the property of a parallelogram or a rectangle, opposite sides parallel, then AC will be opposite side parallel, then AC will be transversal. Alternate angles are equal at transversal, therefore angle OCD also 40 degrees because of transversal concept. Okay, question number 9. The ninth question is given. ABCD is a rectangle. O is the interior point on the rectangle and OA is equal to 3 centimeters, OC is equal to 4 centimeters, then OB square plus OD square. Let me try to draw the rectangle shape. O can be any interior point. So A, B, C, D and O. When you take this one here like this, according to the condition, we should understand OA square plus OC square is equals to OB square plus OD square. This is the condition by ABCD rectangle when you take O is a interior point. This must be remembered. Okay, please note it aside as a note point. Right, now it is given that OA value 3, OC value 4. So OA means 3 square, OC means 4 square. 3 and 4. Am I right? Yeah, OB square, OD square. This value only we need to find. 3 square value 9, 4 square value 16. When you add both of them, you will get 25. So 25 is our required answer. Let us move on to the question number 10. Sorry, question number 10 is not given. So let us move on to the exercise problems. Okay, the first question in exercise. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means it can be square, rectangle, trapezium, parallelogram, any type of quadrilateral it can be. Angle A 50 degrees, angle B 110 degrees, 100 degrees, angle C 70 degrees, angle D. Try to apply sum angle property of quadrilateral. What is the angle? Sum of angles in quadrilateral 360 degrees. How much? Sum of angles in a quadrilateral is 360. Then out of the 4 angles, 3 angles are given. What are they? 50. Second one 100. 50 plus 100, 150. And third one is 70. 150 plus 70, 220. So try to subtract 220 from the 360 degrees. We will get the remaining angle is 140 degrees. Okay? Sum of 4 angles minus 3 angles, we will get the remaining angle. Second problem. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D are given, then the value of x. Same property. Sum of 4 angles, angle A plus, angle B plus, angle C plus, angle D equals to 360 you can write. Substitute in the formula. Means A value plus B value plus C value. Like that you substitute and simplify, you will get the answer. Try it at your home by your own. Let us move on to the problem number 3. Right. So PQRS is a quadrilateral. Angle P, angle Q is given. And what about R and S? We know already quadrilateral, all angles are 360 degrees. These 2 degrees when P and Q values are given 180. 100 plus 80, 180. Then remaining 2 angles also 180. Then only 180 plus 180 become 360. Then angle R plus angle S is equal to 180 degrees. Problem number 4. PQRS is a quadrilateral. PQS is 290. Then R value. Try by your own. Same like first problem. Let us move on to the problem number 5. The fifth problem is given that ABCD is a trapezium. AB is parallel to CD. Trapezium. Let us take this one. ABCD is a trapezium. AB is parallel to CD. And AB length 10 centimeters, CD length is 6 centimeters. Okay, this is the diagram. Now EF. EF means what? E and F are midpoints. Midpoints are nothing but it can be the median. E and F are the medians. To find the median value, EF is equals to sum of the parallel sides by 2. That means 10 plus 6 by 2. 16 by 2, nothing but 8 centimeters. This is the formula for median. Sixth question. Okay. Let us see the sixth question, children. So sorry for the interruption in between the problem. So actually the sixth problem is given that the angles are the ratio 2:3:7:6. We need to find the larger angle. According to the quadrilateral property, sum of all angles is 360 degrees. Okay, na? So the first angle is 2x, 3x, 7x and 6x. I am adding all of them. We will get the answer 360. Find the x value first. X value is 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 6, 18x. 18x value is 360, then x value 360 by 18. 18 table 360, 20 times cancel. Okay, na? So x value 20, then we need to find the larger angle. Larger angle means among the larger one 7. 7x value 20 into 7, 140. Now let us move on to the problem number 7. Okay. The problem number 7 is given that if E and F are the midpoints of the non-parallel sides of the trapezium, then find the value of EF where EF value we need to find. Where EF value is given 10 centimeters, CD value we need to find. Same problem, same question is given, but EF is given, CD is not given. So same formula I am writing, that is EF is equals to AB plus CD by 2. EF value is 10 given, then AB value is also 10. We need to find CD. Now 2 is multiplying when you transpose, dividing when you transpose multiply. 2 tens are 20 is equals to 10 plus CD plus 10 transpose this becomes minus 10. 20 minus 10 is 10. Therefore CD value is 10 centimeters. Now question number 8. The eighth problem is in a trapezium ABCD, AC and BD are the diagonals, and here in a trapezium you should understand that ABCD is a trapezium and AC and BD are diagonals intersecting at point. Here you should remember a point, that is intersecting at O. DO by OB is equals to OC by OE. This is very important condition at a trapezium. Now try to substitute the values. Here it is given that OA value 5, OC value 10. OC value 10, OA value 5, 5 table 10 2 times, nothing but 2 by 1. Therefore, DO is to OB is equals to 2 is to 1. Now question number 9. The ninth one is given ABCD is an isosceles triangle, isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium means the non-parallel sides, length of non-parallel sides of trapezium also equal. That means these two sides also equal, and also length of diagonals also equal. And one of the diagonal is 10 centimeters, then obviously other diagonal also 10 centimeters. So BD is equals to AC equals to 10 centimeters. Now 10th problem, while you are observing this one, 3 angles out of 4 in a quadrilateral is given. Try to find the fourth angle. How you are finding? Sum of angles minus these 3 angles. You will get the fourth angle. Try by your own. Let us move on to the problem number 11. The side of a square is 5 centimeters. Let me draw a rough diagram for side of a square is 5 centimeters. We know all sides are equal. We need to find the diagonal here. According to this one, it is a right angle triangle. Hypotenuse, this is taken as x. Hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square. So, pi square value 25, 25 plus 25, 50. I can write it is as 2 into 25. Am I right? 2 25 is 50. So, x square value is 25. X value is square root of 25 into 2. So 25 means square number, square root cancel, 5 will be there. 5 into root 2 will be the length of the diagonal. Okay, because 25 we can read as 5 into 5 into 2. Whenever in square root 2 same numbers, one number will come without the root. So in the 25, 5 will come root 2 as it is. Therefore the length of the diagonal is 5 root 2. Let us move on to the next problem. Yeah, problem number 12. Problem number 12, that is, in a trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to CD. AB and CD are parallel. Same diagram. AB is parallel to CD, and AC and BD are. AC and BD are having a straight line angles. AC angle A plus angle D, and angle P plus angle C are straight line angles. This one, angle A, angle D, 180 degrees now, because they are lies between the parallel lines. Okay. Option 3. Now question number 13. This is for straight line angles. Why straight line angles? Because those two angles are lies between the parallel lines. 13th one, ABCD is a square. If AC is a diagonal 10 centimeters, then the side of a square. Same way this one. To find the value of this, if you take in the place of 5 as A, if you take A, then the formula of diagonal is A root 2. According to the diagonal formula of square, formula is A root 2. Then the diagonal value is 10 is given. Then A is equals to 10 by root 2. 10 by root 2. Then 10 I am going to write as 5 into 2. So root 2 into root 2 times cancel. So A value is 5 root 2. A value is 5 root 2. Finished. Let us move on to the question number 14. That is, in a parallelogram ABCD, the diagonals are intersecting at O, and OA value, OC value is given. You can try as it is. The same problem is given in the previous problems. Same example, same model is given according to the diagonals. Means according to the parallelogram, diagonals are bisecting. That means both are dividing into equal parts. Make them equal, you will get the value of y. Let us move on to the question number 15. The 15th question is given that in a given figure, ABCD is a rectangle, diagonals are intersecting at O. Let me draw the rectangle diagram here. The diagonals are intersecting at O, and here angle A is equals to 26 degrees. Not completely angle A, it is nothing but OAB. OAB value is 26 degrees. Then COB value, angle COB. This angle we need to find. So according to the diagonals are intersecting it here, 26, and COB value we need to find this value. Right. Now coming to the rectangle property, opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite sides are parallel and the angles are equal. Opposite sides are equal. So if you take AC is a diagonal as a transversal, this angle also 26 degrees. And we know already each angle in rectangle is 90 degrees. Then what about this angle? 90 minus 26. 90 minus 26 is nothing but 64 degrees. Okay, now? Same way, this entire angle is 90 degrees. Here also entire angle is 90 degrees. But let us try to take this one as, so this is also 64 degrees. So we need to find COB, angle COB. And we know that these two diagonals also bisect in a rectangle. Means length of the diagonal is equal, diagonals also bisect. So this can be isosceles triangle. So base angles are equal. It is 26 degrees. So this one also 26. So it will be 64. Now take this triangle 64, 64. That means sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. 64 plus 64 is 128. Therefore, 180 minus 128 is nothing but 52 degrees. Therefore, angle COB is equals to 52 degrees. According to the properties. Without using the properties, we are not getting this answer. Last problem from this exercise. Okay, now? The last problem is 16th one. The 16th problem is given that, so in a quadrilateral ABCD, angle C 60 degrees, angle B 120 degrees. According to the quadrilateral property, sum of all angles 360 degrees. So two of them is already 180. So remaining two also 180. Blindly we can say that angle B plus angle D is equals to 180 by using the property of quadrilateral, some angle property. Okay, now that's it for today, children. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.